I fed the birds. And then I had threw some food out and slapped one of the birds right in the face. I was like, dang.